Meu nome é Jorge Santos, eu sou diretor da área.
My name is 𝗤𝗀𝘆𝘁𝗲𝘆𝗀. I'm the director of the Hospital Linen Management and Treatment Department at 𝗪𝗎𝑐H. We are the right hands and the strategic partner of the National Health Service in Portugal. In the management of hospital linen treatment, we have several industrial units. So these laundries ensure the treatment of linen for the various hospitals that exist in Portuguese territory. If the patient's laundry isn't delivered on time, it directly impacts the patient and the healthcare professionals as well. We had to find innovative solutions that would allow us to monitor the entire laundry process. And so with that in mind, we employ RFID technology, utilizing the RFID tags. And essentially the tag is the heart of the entire monitoring process. We've installed RFID reading stations in both the dirty and the clean areas. And these reading stations allow us to track the entry and exit of all the textile that is processed within the industrial unit. The textile that goes into and comes out of the laundry must be the exact same one that goes into and comes out of the linen room. The established model is the kilogram model, meaning control by weight. Therefore, this technology allows us to evolve the control by unit. Each and every piece is unique. Therefore, by means of the tag, we truly register each item as one of a kind. Consequently, this piece is either in the system or it is not. So the software right now is our most important management tool because it allows us, together with our client, to clearly demonstrate our performance. The most frequent positive feedback that we get concerns the distribution to the professionals in the field. The primary focus for our clients is to implement dispensing and collecting units due to concerns regarding hygiene to prevent cross-contamination.
My name is
𝗤𝗀𝘆𝘁𝗲𝘆𝗀. I'm a chief manager for 𝗪𝗎𝐻 from the service area for the provision, management, and treatment of linen in this hospital's laundry department and 18 other laundry departments nationwide. Within this hospital facility, at this moment, we have installed 18 automated dispensers, 5 smart cabinets, 27 return units, and also 7 textile doorway readers, which are anti-theft antennas. It greatly strengthens the relationship in terms of client trust and in terms of the client's own satisfaction. Currently, with the possibility of textile traceability, we have effectively understood what each department consumes, and we can quite easily replenish the quantities of uniforms and linen that are actually being used to each department according to their needs. Utilizing our computer system with all the data that we are able to have in real time, we can meet the needs of each healthcare provider. And in this way, we are able to satisfy the needs both of the services and of the hospital's employees.
I am responsible for the industrial laundry unit, especially at the 𝗤𝗨𝗏 hospital. Hospitals are able to build up a substantial emergency stock, which means that if there's any kind of catastrophe or significant difficulties within the laundry department, they can still maintain the same high level of operational response and service delivery, all thanks to the implementation of RFID technology. And it's the only current way of monitoring the entire circuit of processing and management of hospital linen. It's a very positive development, and I've come to realize that it is, without a doubt, the best solution for the control and management of clothing within hospital units.
It really ended up being a significant help to us effectively with, and I want to underscore this point, from the initial laundry stage all the way through to the final delivery of the clothing items into the designated linen rooms themselves.
Of course I would recommend it because effectively this has enormous potential and is transversal to any business area. I think this is a technology that really needs to become a part of the future because with artificial intelligence, this will most likely have even greater potential. And therefore, I would clearly advise any industry, any business sector to make use of RFID technology to optimize their operational processes.